Alright guys, been feeling like I've been needed to make some videos. So we're on the grandpa's farm and we're planting some corn. Right now, we did have to get rid of the New Holland because it was not heavy enough. And solid fertilizer made it tip. So we got a Bobcat instead, much more reliable. So yeah, we're doing my big ol' 40-acre field, which we are renting right now. Same with field 45. So I'm gonna do this field 20 and 19 of corn. Then I'm also gonna do 10 with corn. And then 9, 11, 39, 49, and 48 are all gonna be soybeans. Also, that's where, I don't actually know where we sell for sure, but yeah. So that's what we're all gonna plant. We have about 8,000 liters of everything. Do I think that will get us all the way through? Most likely not. I'm hoping that'll get us through corn. And also that New Holland was so short that I couldn't even get it going, so. I also didn't really like the New Holland. I wanted to make a joke with the New Holland, like they always break down and stuff. But I didn't have a chance to, so. My joke is that they're not heavy enough, which. This one is 4.4 tons. So I could have gotten this New Holland, but I told him I was going to get the Kubota, but then I was like, never mind. So then I just got this. So yeah. Also, I've been wondering, should I get gravity wagons? But I don't think so. I don't think I should. Also, awesome right now that is. Also, I turned off automatic shifting. I turned on automatic shifting. It just takes a lot of work. Since we're on the long stretch, why don't we check where we sell our stuff at? Now we're just straight up gonna do corn and beans. Looks like the grain barge terminal 2. That's where it looks like it's gonna be the best at. And I'm not taking it to warehouse triggers because it just does not seem realistic. And for soybeans, yeah, that's where we're gonna sell everything. So yeah, I think this thing might be underpowered for this. 8,400. 300 horsepower. This thing has 225, so it's underpowered for about 75 horsepower. And also, big shout out to the high school football team for making it to the Dome, aka state. So that's where I'm gonna be tomorrow. Oh boy, come on, 8,400, I believe in you. This thing is gonna have a lot of wear and tear on it. Look how much is in this used. If I had an extra person, 100% would have gotten this. 100% would have gotten this. But it's only me, so yeah. Thing already came with lime, so I'm happy about that. Which one was it? Is that 10? Alright. Yeah, my fertilizer definitely will not make it through planting. I don't even know if it's gonna make it through this. Let's calculate how many anchors I have. So just over here, that's 7. That's 8. That's 9. That's 16. Plus that's 28 plus 10 plus 11, 39. 70, 80 acres, 90 acres, 101. So 100 and 100 and like 10 acres. So that's a lot. Oh, you're kidding me. Hold up. Time. Also, for my hay fields, I think I'm gonna ask a neighbor to borrow their plow. So, yeah. So then I have a hay field, not just grass. So that should, yeah. So, yeah. Oh, I probably do need it. Oh, where did the auto steer go? I'm not really for sure. I probably do need to feed the cattle. Yeah. I'll feed them after I'm done with the video. There we go. I think I'll make good money off of this. So, I might try and get an 8R. So, I might try and get one of these 8Rs. Just so then I have something else. I'll definitely get the one that has 300 horse. So the 320. So the 8320R. Definitely not this thing, dude. A 280. How much horsepower does a 410 have? Yeah, dude, this is gonna suck for planting season. But guess who's to do it all? Me. Dude. Oh. What time even is it? 3:30? So I did have a 4440, but it had shifting issues. So if you guys want me to get that and replace it with the 4020, if this video gets 5 likes, I'll do it. Or a 12, or a 1066. Nah, never mind. Either a 4020 or a 4440. One of those. Since I'm not doing the manual shifting. I really wanted to try and learn, but it just got kind of annoying. If I had an actual gear shifter, I definitely would. But I just don't. I have a controller. This is literally all I have. A controller. That's all I have. So, yeah. This thing's definitely gonna have a little bit of wear and tear on her whenever we're done. But realistically, I think somebody told me that they had like I know for sure somebody has one of these and one of these, but I think somebody around me has one of these. Possibly. Which really, I don't think that could pull this 4-wheel drive. Somebody also has one of these. But I think I'm either gonna look for this thing, which I don't know what would work better, but yeah. I don't know. which one's bigger? Because I'm probably gonna have to end up using the four-wheel drive if I get this thing. If I get this thing. How much is this thing to lease? Wait. 4,000. This thing. I would do 600. I think it'd be better just to do the 4,000. Don't mind my money, which you can't even see, but I had to buy land. So yeah. So that will go away soon. Let me just have it. Casual difficulties. Also, have you ever seen this brand of TV? I don't know. I've never. It's what we use for a camper, but it's like the best quality TV we have around. Alright. This is my casual view whenever I'm in the tractor in real life. County Yo play. Yeah, you're just gonna. Here. I'm just gonna have to look extra up. There you go. Hold up, there. Now you can actually see a little bit. Also, it looks like I also have to do soil samples on all these. So I'll probably have the local co-op come and do all those. So yeah. Hold up. Let me see that. Never mind. I'm messing around with the zoom. Either way, that's gonna be it for this one. See you in the next one. Peace.